Hi there everyone, welcome back. Hope you have seen the last video. This is an upcoming part of the series Python. In this, I'll be showing you more about data types, keywords. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and press the subscribe button. Press the bell icon. Let's head on to the computer screen and see how we can define data types and keywords in Python. First, we need to know about its data types and various keywords. In Python, there is no hard and fast data type. You need to assign a value to a variable, and that's all. You don't need to predefine what its data type is. Python will determine what the data type of that variable is. For example, we can do something like a equals 25. So for that, if we see what is the type of this variable a, then we can do something like type a. This will return us int. Int is this. Python determines that a is defined as int. Again, if we write a equals something in string like a b c, then again type a will return a string. Python determines that this variable is a string. Similarly, we can do something like a equals 25.0. In this case, if we again find what is the type of a, this will return us float. Python determines that here a is used as a float variable. Again, there is one more type of variable, data type is there, that is a Boolean data type known as bool. For that, we can assign a as a equals say true. Boolean data type returns us either a true or a false. This is all it does. For then, if we write a equals true, then we can see type a returns us bool. That means this is a Boolean data type. Again, after data types, we can directly move into how we can assign it. For assigning a string variable, there is actually two types. That is a equals double colon something like abc. Then also it will return a string, or or we can write it in this manner: a equals single colon abc. Again, it determine that it's a string variable. But remember, you cannot alter this. Like if you have using say single colon, use single colon. If you are using double colon, then use double colon. You cannot alter this. You choose either one and use it as you wish. Again, we can do something like this. Like we can assign a single value to two, three variables like a equals b equals 15. In this purpose, if we print a, this will return us 15. Again, if we print b, this will return us 15. Similarly, if we print c, this is again return us 15. This is one way of assigning a variable its value. Other thing is that you can assign 2-3 different data type variables, 2-3 defined as a data type to other variables in a single line. Is that how we can do? We can do it in this manner: a comma b comma c equals to say 1 comma abc comma say 15.35. This is acceptable in Python. For example, if I print A, this will return as 1. If I print B, this will return as uh, sorry, if you print C, this is returned as the 15.35 which we have assigned it here. In the other case, if we print B, it will return as a string. That is the, for example, if we had type A is int, again type B, that's also a string, and type C is a float. Python determines that. You can do one more thing in this, such as if we assign num equals 25, then string srt equals, say, stri. Then you here if you print num, say, this will return as 25. And in the similar case, if you print srt, this will return as the string variable. Now here's the trick. You can do something like num equals srt. There I left one space here. That's why it gave me an error. No problem. Now we are assigning num equal to srt. So what will it return? In simple terms, if we print num now, print num, this returns as the string variable. The string that we used here, that we assigned to srt. There is no error if you do something like this. Python allows you to assign a string variable to an integer variable. It determines the type and changes the value. Also, then move on to its keywords. The keywords are basically some of the reserved words that a programming language have. You don't need to, you cannot use this in as a variable. They are something that's reserved for a specific purpose. For keywords, for the available keywords in Python, we need to do something like import keyword. This is the keyword library in Python. From import keyword, we need to print keywords, that is keyword kw list. Keyword.kw list. This returns us the whole set of keywords that Python have. There you have false, none, true, and, as, assert, and many more. We'll get to see all this as and when we require them. Like let's see the use of false here. False and true for that boolean purpose. You can use this like if we use true equals fal. Here this gives me an error. Why this is an error? Since FALSC is not assigned to any variable. And the other thing is we cannot assign a value to a variable. To a keyword. Here true is a keyword. We cannot assign a value to any keyword. That's stored word for a specific purpose. Again, if we do the correct thing, true equal false. True equal false. Here we are, you can see we are using equal. What is this actually? Equal is something which helps you to determine whether the two sides are equal. When you are not assigning any value like you do in normal mathematics, here you are checking whether the two values are equal or not. For that purpose, you can see it will return as a false since true is not equal to false. This returns as false. Again, we can check if false equals false. For that purpose, you can see it returns as a true since false is always equals to false. Similarly, if you check for true equals true, this will return you true, and other one is false equals true is return you false. Again, you can move on to other ones like non break. Break is used in breaking any loops or similar thing. They here continue is also used for that purpose when you want to continue in loop under a certain condition. Those are the things we will see when we will do more in the function definition and function part. That's all for this video. Do visit us in the next video so that you can know about the functions and other things related to it. Thank you for watching. If you like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel so that you can see regular videos like this. Thank you.